Ek is Tom de Wet van Volksblad en welkom. Ek is by Sergeant Puleng Motsoeneng van die polisie by die motor waarin 4 mense vanmôre doodgeskiet en 'n 5de een gewond is. Puleng, hoeveel skote is geskiet?
9 cartridges were found at the crime scene.
Die persoon wat gewond is, wat is haar toestand?
It is an African female and she is in a critical condition in a local hospital.
Is daar enige leidrade wie die verdagtes is?
No arrest have been made yet, and we are appealing to the police to alert us with any positive information regarding the incident, and they can call the police crime number, which is 08600 10111.
Puleng, what is in the car at this stage?
At this stage, we found 3 bags of food that are almost empty. It seems as if the victims have just sold the food to the illegal miners.
Baie dankie, Puleng.